I'm gonna be honest. My desk is a little messy. And, I've kind of accepted it for a while, but think this is gonna change. And I'm gonna clean up from here down to here. Cause, baby steps. So, I'll try to do that. So, I'm gonna start by, putting a line of tape down, we'll say from about here to there. Start a line. So, I gotta first thing is clear some of this out and clean it up the way I've been cleaning up everything by pushing everything to the side and making a giant pile. It's a very effective cleaning method. Put that there, put that there, put that there. Put that away. Put that there. Very dirty. It's definitely. So in the attempt to keep it as a straight line, it will be slightly angled, but set up this line clean. So first thing you have to do is remove the keys. I have this little key remover that came with the keyboard.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So now I have most of the buttons all cleaned out. Now I just have to start placing them back, hoping I do them in the right order.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
So, I did end up deciding to remove all the stickers because I'm going to place more stickers on the side. So, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, get a tissue, spray with some isopropyl alcohol. And this is somewhat clean. Now I'm going to work on curating some stickers to put up there. So I found all my stickers, and I got these at like a Maker Faire or something. I got them in the mail from the actual people. So I'm starting with the 3D printed sticker, moving on to an Evan and Kaylin sticker. Then at the top where I'm putting the Dude sticker, it's really large. It kind of, I'm okay that it's a little large, but it's a little large. I'm kind of going to move that over a little bit, so in that way, it's more centered. Have a Protopasta sticker, like them stuff. Have How I Do It sticker, putting an I Like to Make Stuff sticker up there too. Make reviews, you can see, got a printed solid sticker. And I'm gonna add a See Me CNC sticker, but that's like really hard to get off because it's kind of got that odd shape. Now I'm adding a Chia Street and Peter Streeple sticker. As you can see, I'm gonna put across their Build Tax sticker, but it's kind of hard to see. Putting Fun in the Country Basement, A Pyro Designs to different my Matter Hackers one, which is also pretty easy to see, even though it's got that transparent thing on it. So I got a Chep sticker, Filament Friday, DSKA, and a 3D Maker Noob sticker. And I got a Midnight Giant one. Got a Cocoa Press and Slice Engineering. Got an E3D sticker to putting my Raspberry Pi sticker up there. Got a Wham Bam System sticker. Got a Wazer sticker. Ends up not looking too good in that really far back corner. It is what it is. It's kind of hard to get it in there. Put a G-Skill and a Maker Faire sticker. Putting down my Earth 2018 sticker. Maker Box sticker, and putting down my Earth 2019 sticker. I'm leaving space for Earth 2020. Put down a Filamentum Lulzbot Nova Mini Maker Faire sticker down there. And then my last one is a TH3D sticker. Thank you all for watching that video. Remember, if you liked it, please leave a like. If you didn't like it, dislike it. If you have any ideas for new videos or how I can improve my videos, please leave that down in the comments below. Subscribe for more videos, and that helps me out. If you want to help me out even more, take a look at my Amazon affiliate links or even my Patreon. And as always, keep on printing.